Uh, Sometimes devotee may be doing his sadhana also good, and also he may be reading nicely, taking the medicine, but his nature is, you know, angry by nature or short-tempered by nature, unforgiving by nature. In other words, the persona what he has is not supportive for forgiveness. In the material world, there could be people who are by nature forgiving, by nature gentle, by nature kind, by nature sattvic, apparently. So, what is the solution for such a devotee who has inherited a nature and he is doing his sadhana, but he is not recognizing that because he is acting through his persona? He is not even recognizing that anything is wrong with him. He is finding fault with everyone around him. But he is also simultaneously doing his sadhana. He is also reading. There are examples like that who may be good in sadhana. So then sometimes a doubt comes, where are we going wrong in the process? So is there a, just like utsaha, dhairya, nishcha, just simply we have to wait, be patient, be tolerant, continue with the medicine, or there is a, you mentioned about SMDA process. A devotee does not know. Is there a way of, should a person do some intervention like this, or just wait and watch and things to happen?
No, if at least the devotee recognizes that I have to change this kind of a generic persona towards life, anger, always, this kind of. If he recognizes that it is harming him, if he is reading Prabhupada's books, automatically he will recognize. He will recognize it is undesirable. I have to change. So therefore, simply mechanically reading, see, this is another thing. Of course, initially sadhakas to control, to create a habit. We may say 1 hour you have to read and all these things. But reading is not a mechanical process. Very powerful, Divya Gyan comes. So once you recognize that this is lacking, the solution to all problems is Divya Gyan. Because ignorance is the cause of all problems. Ignorance is the cause of all problems of spiritual life. So once transcendental knowledge comes, then automatically one's paradigm will start changing. His outlook will start changing. Transcendental knowledge gives us the change of perception of the situation. Because these things are coming from perception. Perception to emotion. So if you have a distorted perception of people, distorted perception of the world, it's all due to childhood nature. All those things. It has to, all those things will change. If he has a desire to change and see that these are all my yantra, my mind is doing all that. I can be a completely different person by Shravanam, Mananam, Dhyanam, Archana. Take out individual, specific things, and Krishna will help us. For us, Bhakti Yogis, to change our minds is very, 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 very much, change our nature is very much easy because of the holy name. Otherwise, as you said, karma, nature, the karma will not allow them to change. You will be a self-limiting person. Your growth also will be like that. If you are angry against the world will not cooperate with you. You will also remain in your small world. Whether it is devotion service or outside service. Outside world also. Outside world also, if people are always angry, they will never progress in life. Their karma has locked them up. Similarly, here also, if you are angry, you cannot work with people, then you are limiting yourself in your service. As an organization, Like yesterday we were discussing in that symposium, there is a skill, there is an organizer, then there is a manager, then there is a leader. Now if you see, in terms of availability of talent, there will be many skilled people, but there will be fewer people with organizing skills of those same skills. There will be even fewer people who can manage. There will be even fewer people who have got the ability to lead. So in other words, there is if the organization has to grow, we are always looking for, can we do something with this devotee to nurture his leadership? He's got that, fan it. Oh, little, yes, he's a good organizer. Come on, they make him organize. Organization needs more and more of these. In this sequence we need, because there is rarity. There is rarity of there are finer skills required. There are finer skills required in a leadership. There are less finer skills required in a manager. Less finer skills, especially interpersonal. Interpersonal skill can only come if you are not if you are always sitting you don't know how to get into other shoes and think like other person. You cannot manage a person. You cannot hear, they cannot understand other person's difficulties. All these things. So these things are all, it wants more and more one opens up from, or he comes out of his aham. It's for us it is easy because we are chanting and we know this is limiting. I have to improve, I have to change. Okay. Is that answers? So anyway, one line answer is, he can work on it. Devotee's karmas is not fixed. It changes. His nature completely changes. Our own example, we can know, especially those who have struggled to change, they know that how so many old personas are gone and new personas have come. We have cultivated. That is why we don't want to be a karmi now. How that change has happened. Like that, all changes can happen. Then there are